I'm hoping Denmark will be cooler than this place, because my upper lip sweats.
I think Danish people are tall and beautiful and with nice raincoats, stylish raincoats.
This is the Denmark that I have in mind. This is the fairy tale kind of Denmark.
Man, you guys got a lot of bicycles here.
Oh, so many bicycles.
My name is Yaya. I'm 29 years old and I'm a teacher. I live in Hong Kong on the 22nd floor with my parents.
This has gotta be what the Danish life is like. You lay back. I was thinking, this has gotta be hygge. I'm Roy, I'm 42 years old, I'm currently unemployed. I live in Chicago in my one-bedroom apartment. My goal is to be a boxing instructor.
I think I'll be staying here. I'll be staying
Forever?
Yes.
And ever.
I'll be fine here. I'm like kind of speechless
It's
right
like
now.
I'm in someone else's home.
Living in Hong Kong is really expensive, so it's not uncommon for people like my age to still be living with their parents. I am very biased when it comes to Denmark because a big part of my childhood was spent in the library reading books from Hans Andersen. And so Denmark to me is a fairy tale.
The only thing I know about Denmark, there are a lot of bicycles. You got the Mermaid and Mads Mikkelsen.
So I was born and raised in a city where happiness cannot be taken for granted, but that doesn't stop me. That actually makes me extra mindful and extra creative when it comes to creating my own happiness. So I cannot wait to go and meet with the Danes and find out what their keys of happiness are.
I want to know how a country that has 74 days of sunshine pays 37% in taxes. What the hell are they so damn happy about? And how do I get that into my life?
I have no idea why the Danes are so happy, but maybe it's in their tradition, maybe in their DNA. But I cannot wait to find out in their home.
This is the Denmark that I have in mind. This is the fairy tale kind of Denmark.
Man, you guys got a lot of bicycles here.
Oh, so many bicycles. It must be so romantic, riding your bike.
This is surreal, you know what I mean? This is awesome.
We're here. Oh my God.
Hi,
Hey,
how are you? I'm Roy.
I'm Yaya. Nice meeting you.
How do you pronounce your name?
Yaya, Y-A-Y-A.
Yaya. Oh, nice to meet you. Oh, I dig this collar.
Thank you.
You want to check out the place?
Sure.
All right.
I'm so nervous and excited.
Wow.
Oh my goodness, what?
Whoa.
I think I'll be staying here. I'll be staying
Forever?
Yes.
And ever.
I'll be fine here.
Whoa.
Oh my God. I'm like kind of speechless
It's
right
like I'm
now.
in someone else's home.
Wow.
Oh.
I feel like I don't belong here. I don't deserve this.
Want to get a drink and then go to the living room?
Of course.
Chin chin?
Ooh. Oh, it tastes good.
Oh, that's a good year. What are you looking to get out this whole experience here?
What I look for the most is indulging, just being in the happiness or in the vibe, just being in there.
I want to discover happiness. I want to live like a Dane. To me, Home of Happiness is embrace.
And it's a place where you always want to go back to.
Your home is an extension of you.
It's a place where you could just be yourself and find yourself.
Here's to Copenhagen, Denmark. Let's do this.
Let's do this.